Hi, welcome to WeXL Daily. I am doing something different today. I am outside in nature to bring you our weekly reflection and poetry. This one is called Water Flows, Grass Grows, Sun Shines, Meter Maids Finds. The feet pound upon the ground, the eyes spy what no one's found. In plain sight, humanity's plight, intellectually gifted, emotionally conflicted. Up above we meander, life demands become grander. The swell of overwhelm drags us into danger, a welcomed stranger. And we go into the flood, an undercurrent of cold blood, where demons cackle and gloat, shoot at our throat to silence us forever. Beneath the depth we lose our breath. We thought it won. We look above and see a shimmer. In the water our spirits glimmer. Our hearts begin to beat as one. The whale breaches, our soul reaches towards the light, warm and bright, and we remember. Beyond the sea will forever be imperfect beings full of feelings, made of the finest and the brightest, stars and the divine. We are infinite. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you come back next week. My name is Arabella DeLuco, and this is WeXL Daily.